Everybody wants 15. Everybody wants 15. Everybody wants 15 minutes of fame, and they'll do anything to get it. What? Everybody wants a 15 minutes. Won't seek till they get it. Won't eat till they get it. Gon' ride till they get it. Gon' die just to get it. Somebody take another sight just to get it. Everybody wants a 15 minutes. Won't seek till they get it. Won't eat till they get it. Gon' ride till they get it. Gon' die just to get it. Somebody take another sight just to get it. Everybody wants a 15 minutes. Won't seek till they get it. Won't eat till they get it. Gon' ride till they get it. Gon' die just to get it. Somebody take another sight just to get it. Everybody wants a 15 minutes. Won't seek till they get it. Won't eat till they get it. Gon' ride till they get it. Gon' die just to get it. Somebody take another sight just to get it.
Look at me.
Everybody wants 15. Everybody wants 15. Everybody wants 15 minutes of fame.
I'm Damien Luchev, and this is my Land Rover Defender 90. It's a 2012 model, got a 2.2 litre TDCi engine in it. So I bought the car brand new from Newcastle because I wanted this particular colour. So I had no plans on taking it off-road. It was strictly a street car at that time, and then I had a camping trip planned with my girlfriend at the time. We decided that I needed to make some modifications for a high country trip, such as a winch, bull bar and suspension. It all sort of grew from there. So the bar's a tubular bar from Rover, just a bolt-on item. I've got a 13 XP Rover winch, and also got rock sliders from Mulgo. Today I'm running the 37-inch by 16 Maxxis Trepidors. They're a sponsor of mine through my Instagram. They're an absolutely fantastic tyre. They're in the sticky compound, so they pretty much grip and climb up anything. I run these on sort of the harder trips. The daily tyre is also a 37-inch tyre, and that's also a Maxxis Razor. It sits on a 17x9 rim. My suspension is from Les Richmond Automotive, who's a Land Rover mechanic in Thomastown. It's all long travel Coney 88 series shocks and custom Les Richmond coils all around. I think I've got 180s on the front and 220 on the rear. For the 37-inch tyres, I changed the gearing, so I was running 354 gearings, and now I have 437s with 1.2 in the transfer case, which that's still stock. Super crawly now. One low's ridiculously slow. Also got Ashcroft, that's Ashcroft crown wheel and pinions. I've got Ashcroft front and rear lockers, Ashcroft center ATB, also the Ashcroft CVs and high tough axles. So the lighting, I changed basically all the lights at the front. So I've got JW Speaker LED headlights, they're a 7-inch, and LED Parker and Hella LED indicator, and that's the same with the side indicators. On the roof rack I've got Light Force HDX driving lights hybrids. So they've got a LED ring and a HID spot. They were given to me by Light Force, and they sit on the Tradesman roof rack, which is also given to me by Tradesman roof rack, and that's an alloy oval rack. So the engine is a 2.2 litre turbo diesel. It's actually a Ford Transit engine. It's got an ECU tune running in it, which has taken it from 120 horsepower, which is stock, to 170. So that's from Bell Auto Service in the UK. They do all the Bowler Defenders, which is like a race rally car Defender in the UK. And also running his high flow intercooler and silicon hoses. A Nugget Stuff airbox to seal, so it's all sealed, because I used to go to river crossings and the stock airbox sucks in water. So I've got Recaro Specialist M seats. They're custom cloth on them. They're partial leather. Bit taken off the stock steering wheel and put a Momo 350mm steering wheel on, because the stock one's like a bus. Taken the rear seats out and built a shelf on the back, because the rear seats are basically pointless in this short wheelbase model. So it's pretty much a 2-up tourer as well. Shelf and fridge goes on top of that. 2 gull-wing windows, so I've got access to the fridge and the other side where I keep tools and water jerry's. I've also got twin ARB compressor on the back of the middle cubby box. I've also got a GME UHF. So I drive this daily. This is my daily drive. I tour with it. Me and my missus go away to the high country often. We've done Tasmania, Fraser Island. I want to do the Cape in future. Future modifications, I really need to get some front quarter panel bar work going, and also the rear quarters. Dream mods would be putting an LS3 in it, also extending the wheelbase by 10 inches to make it a 100-inch wheelbase instead of a 90. I've never had a breakdown, something that's stopped me. The only thing I've ever had was we're in Snowy River region and a branch flicked up and broke my fuel line. So my reliability is super high. Obviously I've upgraded all the axles and the diffs, so it is stronger, but I've never been stopped on the tracks from something to do with the car really. It's only been bad luck because that fuel line was the only time it stopped me. So I know a lot of people think Land Rovers aren't reliable, but mine's been pretty good to me. Thanks for watching, guys. You can find my car. I've got a page on Instagram at defender90_Orkney, or search that on YouTube and find my videos up there. So thanks for watching.